Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ed again, A to Z Auto Masters. Quick video today on a 2012 GL450 and how to change the battery. Batteries in those cars under the passenger seat, so just a quick video of how to change it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna pull the passenger seat all the way forward. I start taking it apart and then I figure probably a lot of people don't know where the battery is or how to change, so I figure I'm gonna do the video about it. So you just pull the front passenger seat all the way forward. Okay, you have this plastic cover here, just get this out of the way. You have this other plastic cover, you just wiggle it and take it completely out of the way. You have this vent for the heat AC vent, goes in like that. Just gonna pull it out. Okay, and you get the battery right here. So this carpet, just peel up, and you're gonna have this 10, one here, one there, and you're gonna have this. You're gonna have this bracket down here that holds the battery in place. So we're gonna start by this bracket, taking this bracket off first. So we'll take this bracket off. Now we can take this negative terminal off. Okay. There's the vent for the battery, goes right here. And now we take this positive terminal off. I just need two hands here, so I put the phone down and just slide it out. And now we just slide the new battery back in. Make sure you put this vent here. So we put that positive terminal. Now put that negative. And I'm just gonna make sure we tighten both. Now we can put this bracket back. This bracket will go just like that. Now, carpet back, and that's the last thing here. That's it. Okay guys, so we're inside the car now. Everything's lit and perfect. Okay, car is running, battery's done. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.